In this video, I will walk you through a detailed comparison between standard desktop printers and the powerhouse Sovol M1D. When comparing this machine to your average hardware, the contrast is immediately clear, especially considering the dual X1+6 toolhead design. Most printers force a trade-off between speed and multi-material capability, but the M1D stands out by offering a dual-head system designed to double your productivity right out of the gate. While traditional setups often struggle with cumbersome filament changes, this machine integrates a 6-channel filament system for automated control. This means you can manage complex multicolor projects much faster and with significantly less waste than the competition. The hardware highlights don't stop at productivity, because the standout features include smart automation, like eddy current scanning for quick bed leveling, and auto XY calibration. Compared to budget machines that require constant manual tweaking, the M1D uses a smarter monitoring system to ensure a higher success rate for your prints. It even includes quick swap toolheads and an open-source friendly system, which is a major win for users who want an expandable platform rather than a lockdown ecosystem. For those ready to jump in, a $20 VIP reservation secures a significantly lower price point of $1,199 and adds a free extra PEI plate to the package. This is a massive leap forward for Sovol and the industry as a whole. If you enjoyed this comparison, please hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the latest tech. Let me know in the comments if you think dual-head printing is the future for your workshop.